Hello, Internet. Um, I know it's been a bit, but if you realize that's what your voice sounded like, you wouldn't upload again for 5 months, trying to get over the embarrassment. It is currently 12:12 past midnight of April 29th, so I've been gone for 5 months, chose not to upload because I'm embarrassed. Figured I'd give an update. I am building a PC. Right now, I'm making a Windows 11 USB stick so that I can do it. I've already built a bit of it, and by I built, I mean I had a friend over who built it like 6 months ago. I've still got a lot of stuff left to build, but I'm worried about asking him again. He's my only friend, and I know I'm a loser for that. I feel like in our relationship, I am not contributing. And I don't know, I'm just upset with myself. I feel like I just can't reach out to people. I just can't feel their emotion the same. I felt like asking him to finish working my PC was stressing him out. And maybe it's my fault for just not talking to him and asking him about his feelings on it. But I've just felt guilty, and I haven't talked to him in over a year, and he is my only friend. Besides co-workers, I don't really count them as friends. So, I'm learning to build the rest of my PC by myself. Wish me luck, and I'll update you again. Hopefully I'm not too embarrassed this time and wait 5 months, and hopefully I can build my PC in order to finish that. Or I hope to finish my PC at least soon, hopefully. I will try and update you soon on my progress. Speaking of progress, could have sworn that said 99% earlier, but guess it's on me. If anyone wants to know the specs, I can maybe explain them to you later, but I don't know entirely what I'm doing. I'm just hoping everything will work out well, and I'm sure in some ways it will. I hope your day will be better. I hope I will just fix myself, because right now I feel so just out of the loop. But tomorrow's another day, one that I hope will be better. Goodbye.